Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max. It could be any year, any generation. If you have a problem, guys, where you unlock or lock your car with the remote control and you hear clicking from a certain door, like skipping, something like a clicking noise, stay with us, we'll explain what causes that and how to fix it. When you hear that noise, it's important to actually check that your door locks and unlocks as well, because often it will affect many of the times will not lock or unlock the door. Sometimes it may, but sometimes it may not, and we'll explain why. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's go ahead and explain what can easily cause that now, guys. Okay, we just fixed one not too long ago, Ford C-Max, guys. Okay, when you lock your car, guys, there is a thing that most people do quite often, and that will cause damage to the door lock actuator, guys. When you lock your car, just lock it. But if you click the button to double check if it's locked many times, that actually puts extra pressure on the door lock actuators. That's the device that actually locks and unlocks your car. Because right here, the door lock actuator is located right here. You can see this is it. Inside, it's about that big. Let me show you what it looks like quick. We have a video how to replace door lock actuator on a Ford Focus. It's about the same, almost the same. That's what it looks like. You can see that's the portion that we see right now. But this is the door lock actuator, guys. Practically, it has a little bitty motor and gear inside that flips a switch, so it does not allow the door to be open, when it's locked, and it flips the switch so it can open, guys, like a lever. But when you hear that clicking, skipping noise coming from the door when you lock or unlock, that means that very likely you have a cracked plastic gear inside, guys, the door lock actuator. Or worn gear, and that will cause the door lock actuator not to function correctly. So when you lock it and you hear that noise, always make sure the door is locked, because sometimes it may not be locked, or if it looks locked, sometimes when you barely shake it or something, it may deactivate it, because it may be almost locked but not all the way, because if those gears are worn or cracked, they may skip and not activate the process all the way. So you will need to, guys, in order to fix that problem, you will need to actually go ahead and replace the door lock actuator. That's what it looks like. We have the complete video how to do it on Ford Focus, which is not very complicated. You will need to remove the door panel. Check out the video, we'll teach you how to do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.